Guys, Brad here. Just got the kayak set up, getting ready to go out fishing. We're gonna see if we can catch a 4-pound bass today. That's the goal. I'm gonna try out some of the Lucky Tackle Box lures and setups I got today, and we'll see kind of what we can do. Let's do this. Alright guys, just got out here. Beautiful outside. A little bit clouds, a little sun. Water's nice and warm. It's looking perfect out here. I'm heading to a spot near the dam. I'm on Lake Nichua in South Lyon. And it's looking really good today. So, I'll show you guys what I can catch. Alright guys, found out my first video didn't work, which kind of sucks because it was such a good bass. So figuring out this videoing stuff, but you know, having a fun time with it, I'll tell you. It's pretty hot out, pretty freaking hot. Seeing a bass jump over there. Trying to catch him on the fly. See if we can catch him or not. Probably that juicy one. Got one, guys. Put up a good fight. Ooh, he's a juicy one. Ooh. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Let's get him out of here. Little guy. Take him. Take him. Ooh, brother. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Be okay. Be alright. Decent one. Pretty decent. Got one, guys. Put up a good fight for how small he is. There he is. Not bad, not bad.